making this organizer, we need soap boxes, chart paper, scissors, glue, cardboard, and a scale. Now take a soap box and cut away its flaps. Take a cardboard, mark the width of the soap box on the cardboard. Do it on the other side too. Draw a line to connect both the markings. Now cut the cardboard on the line. I have cut 2 cardboard pieces of the same size. Now cut the flaps of the soap boxes. Mark the extra piece of the cardboard and cut it away. Glue the cardboard pieces together. Now wrap the cardboard sheets with a color paper. Now let's glue chart paper to the soap box. Now cut in the corners and glue them inside. Glue 2 soap boxes together and put them in the bigger one. We are going to arrange this organizer in this fashion. Attach the soap boxes with hot glue onto the cardboard. I found these birds on a piece of cloth, so I am attaching them to this soap box. Instead of attaching these cloth pieces, you can draw or you can cut pictures from newspaper and attach them. I am drawing smileys on the sides of the organizer. We can draw some more smileys using coins. This is the final look of the organizer. Aren't the birds very cute? watching.